everybody, this is Bonnie and I'm coming to you with week 9 of our 10 weeks of Halloween. I can't believe we've already gone through 9 weeks. So this is what we're going to make today. We are going to make this cute little spooky card in case you want to send it to like a grandma or somebody that you love, just wishing them happy Halloween, or a mom, or you know, a grandchild or anything. This is a really cute card to send to them. So we're going to get started on making this card. I don't have all the measurements for you. I didn't write these ones down. I will try to make sure I list them in the description box below. So you're going to need a piece of Whisper White. This is going to be your base, and it's going to be 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4 in the middle. Then we have this piece, which is 4 by 5 1/4, and this we're going to emboss. And then we have some other little pieces that I did not write the measurements down, so I'll have to list them below. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to have to bring in our emboss, because we're going to use our Woodland embossing folder, and this is a 2D embossing folder, which means it's a standard embossing folder. So let's bring this in. Okay. This is our new stamp, emboss, and cut machine. If you haven't purchased one already, it was available to customers at the beginning of this month. So you need platform 1 to do the standard, and you just read what it says for when you're doing embossing. And right here, using with standard embossing folders, you need platform 1. We do not need platform 2, so we're going to put that off to the side. And then it says you need 2 platform 3s, and they're all numbered. They're numbered. I don't know if you can see the number. Like, that's 3. These are well loved. I've got some more on their way, and the magnetic platform should be coming. So anyways, I've got the Woodland embossing folder, and I'm just going to put this right in the center. I'm going to put this down. Put this, our sandwich, and then put our other number 3 right on top. And then we're going to run this through the machine. So there we go. And that's all we needed this for, so we can pop this out of the way. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And then here is our embossed piece. Isn't that so cool? I just love this Woodland. That is so cool. All right, so now we're going to get embossed, or stamping, and I've got to get our other little stamp set here. We're using 2 stamp sets in this card. The first one we're using is Have a Hoot. I love this set. I cannot wait to start making some Christmas cards with this set, because this is for a great set. It's got Christmas and Halloween in it, and if you haven't ordered this set, I'll tell you, it's wonderful. And then we're going to be using the festive corners. So we're going to be using this word spooky right there. And I got to get it out because I forgot. So we're going to get out the spooky. Let's see. Let's grab I thought I had a long one here. Here's one. It's a little longer than I want, but I'm not sure where my other one is. So there we go. So we're going to stamp now on our white pieces of paper. I want to make sure I got my white one going the right direction, and I do. So for this one, we're just going to stamp this little owl that is on, I think I got to fill my memento. Okay. So we're going to stamp them right in the center and kind of up a little bit, not much, just a little. So it's just like that. And then we're going to bring in this one, and we're going to stamp up the word, the spooky. And we're going to stamp this one kind of towards the top, but down a little bit. Now, if you'd like to purchase any of these supplies, like I said, it helps support me, and there's a link in the description box below. Now, all these supplies are available at Stampin' Up! Unless I tell you otherwise, and I tell you that as we're going through the video. Alright, so now we're going to take this word spooky, first of all, and we're going to bring in our Builder Tag Punch. It looks like this. I like to use this side that's right here, and I like to do it from upside down once I get it in there, just so I can make sure that I have it centered. And I'll punch that one out. And while I got this right here, we're going to bring in the orange, and we're going to do the same thing. It's pumpkin pie, orange. Okay, I just love the fun names. So there we go. So we got those two pieces done. So now we're going to do some coloring. I'll zoom in on this, but I will probably fast forward this to save time. So I'm going to tell you now the colors that I am using. I'm going to be using Basic Black Dark. I'm going to be using Pumpkin Pie Dark. And I'm going to be using Smoky Slate Light and Dark. So we'll start with that, and I'll zoom you guys in. Okay. So let's get started. So now we have them all colored. So don't they look cute? Alright, let me zoom you guys back out some. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to attach the ribbon. Now this ribbon is an older ribbon. They do have some other wonderful Halloween ribbon in the holiday catalog, but I just like this ribbon that they've had, so I'm going to use up the ribbon that I've got. So use whatever you've got in your stash too. Oh, I moved it over here. So we're just going to put a piece of snail. Well, it's called Stampin' Seal now. I'm still trying to get used to the... And I'm putting it right across the edge of the little, what do you want to call it, trunk, I guess, of the tree. And then I'll get my scissors, which I don't know what I do with my ribbon scissors, but we'll just use these. There we go. And now we're going to add this piece onto here. Okay. On the camera. All right. And now we're going to take and we are going to put our card together first. So we're going to take and add adhesive to the back of our woods here, embossed piece. And we're going to put this right on here, just like so. And then I went ahead and let's bring this one back in. And I put this right up here to the top. So I'm going to put some snail on the, or put that on here like that. And then I've placed this here just for a minute. And then I took my word spooky and I kind of had it tipped off to the side like that. And I kind of wanted it off like that, so it looked like a banner. And then I went ahead and I just popped this up on some Stampin' Dimensionals, and because it is black, I did use the black Stampin' Dimensionals, so it'd be kind of blend in with the paper. right about here on the card. And then the last thing I did, my mom got me these a long time ago, and I don't even know where she got them from, but they're just these little black flat like gem things. And but if you don't have any and you have like small gems or enamel dots or anything, the white ones that Stampin' Up! Does sell, you can go ahead and use them, and they will work just as fine. And you can color them if they're white, you can color them with the black and this, oh, it's still there, with the black marker blends. You can color anything with the blends, which is wonderful. You can color ribbon with the blends. So, I mean, if you have a really cool ribbon that you liked and it wasn't black, but it was white or off-white, take the black blend if you have the black blend and color it, because you can color anything with the blends. So this is my other Halloween card. So thank you guys for being here, and I can't wait to show you what the final project is next week on week number 10. So thanks for stopping by, and thanks for joining me on this little journey. And if you'd like to purchase anything, the description information is in the description box below, and if you click that little pink square button that's over in the corner, that will let you subscribe to my videos so you don't miss out on any future videos that I do. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye bye.